Hello everyone, I Neha Malik, faculty of DLED from Technical Institute of Teacher Education. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on Modalier Commission 1952-53, that is Secondary Education Commission. Suggestion and recommendations of Secondary Education Commission. Organization of secondary education. Secondary education should be after primary education. Secondary education should be for the age group of 11 to 17 years and its duration should be 7 years. Secondary education should be divided into two parts: 3 years senior basic stage or junior secondary stage and 4 years higher secondary stage. The present intermediate classes should be abolished and its class 11th should be added to secondary education and class 10th should be added secondary education and class 12th to degree courses. Commission thus pleaded for the class 10th year secondary education and 3-year degree course. Residential schools should be opened in those areas where there is a no secondary school. Separate school should be opened for girls and existing secondary schools should be converted into co-ed schools. Special schools should be opened for the handicapped children. Polytechnic colleges should be opened in big cities in order to fulfill the demand of skilled workers in nearby or local industries. Agriculture education should specially be organized in the secondary schools located in the rural areas. Multipurpose schools should be opened at the higher secondary level and diversified courses should be introduced in these schools. Now, we will discuss curriculum of secondary education. The Commission emphasized some basic principles of construction of secondary education curriculum. The curriculum should be related to real life. The curriculum should be extensive and flexible, so as to enable the children to select the subjects according to their ability and interest. Such subjects should also be included in the curriculum, which may enable the students to utilize their leisure time. The curriculum should not be split up in a number of isolated subjects, but all the subjects and activities of the curriculum should be interrelated. Now, we will discuss curriculum for junior secondary education. The Commission suggested that the junior secondary curriculum of secondary schools should be similar and it should be all over the country. It suggested included the following subjects in the curriculum at this level: mother tongue, national languages Hindi for those mother tongue is not Hindi, or any other federal languages whose mother tongue is Hindi, English, social science, general science, mathematics, physical education, art and music, handicrafts. Now, we will discuss curriculum for the higher secondary education. Common subjects for each category were mother tongue, Hindi for non-Hindi students, or elementary English for those students who have not studied English at junior secondary level, or advanced English or any other modern federal language or any foreign language other than English for those students who studied English in the earlier stages. Social science for the first 2 years only. Mathematics and general science for the first 2 years only. After one, craft from the following: spinning, weaving, woodwork, metalwork, gardening, sewing, embroidery, painting, modeling, handicraft, etc. Now, we will discuss suggestions regarding examination system. The number of external examinations should be reduced. It should be held at the end of secondary education. At the end of secondary education, the final evaluation should be done not only on the basis of the external examination, but due weightage should also be given to the regular work and internal examination of the students. Provision of compartment education should be made for those students who fail in one subject in the external examination. The evaluation results should be indicated in grades. 5-point scale will be best to indicate it: A. Excellent, B. Good, C. Average, D. Poor, E. Very poor. To bring the objectivity in the examination, objective type questions should be included in the examinations. Suggestions regarding women education. Girls, like boys, should also have an equal right to seek any type of education. The study of home science should be organized for girls. Separate girls' school should be established as per requirement. Co-ed education should be permitted at the place where it is not possible to establish separate girls' school. Now, there is some suggestions regarding religious and moral education. Religious and moral education should not be made compulsory in secondary schools. Religious education should be an voluntary education and it should be given outside the regular school hours. Religious education may be organized with the prior consent of the parents and management. Now, we will discuss suggestions regarding vocational education. The education of any one of craft should be made compulsory in secondary schools. The curriculum of different categories in secondary schools should be vocational technical education oriented. Secondary schools should be converted into multi-purpose school where the teaching of different craft or skills should be oriented. There should be close relationship between the technical schools and local industries. They should cooperate each other. So I hope you can understand the topic Modalier Commission. Thank you very much.